Here we are in Long Beach, California with 10 things to do. Visit the Aquarium of the Pacific. They have many aquatic life and other animals, including penguins and sea otters. There are Swan boat rentals located near the Hyatt Centric Hotel and Pike outlets. You can rent these during the day and at night when they light up. Go to the Pike outlets, whether it's shopping or grabbing a bite to eat. There is always plenty of things to do. You can always catch a ride on the Ferris wheel or even the carousel. After a day of shopping and dining, at night you can go to the Laugh Factory for laughter and fun. Visiting Shoreline Village allows you to enjoy a nearby walk and take in the scenery. While at Shoreline Village, you can visit the shops and get something to eat. The funnel cake serves some delicious, fresh churros you must try when visiting. Visit the Lovelocks fences and maybe even put on one of your own.